You started the electric company how long ago?
1972.
What age did you start riding with your dad then?
I started doing electric work with him when I was in 4th grade.
The customer service that we give people, I think, is superior to most anybody that's out there. When somebody wants a generator, we try to be out there within 24 to 48 hours to talk to them and give them a price.
It's a good comfort for the members and the homeowners to know that they do have a backup power system for winter if their power does go out.